Hey guys, after last year's Huawei's flagship P40 series, it's more than a year after the launch of its predecessor. Huawei's next generation flagship phone, the P50 series, is set to be unveiled at the launch event in July. The series will make a beginning of a new era of mobile imaging. Richard Yu, head of Huawei's consumer business group, revealed in a post on Weibo, saying a new mobile imaging technology will come with their release. It will be a dedicated China-only launch. But the P50 series is also set to receive a broader international rollout presumably. Two exciting markets include the Europe and the UK. The lineup is rumored to consist of three models, the P50, P50 Pro and the P50 Pro Plus. But before the launch, we got the glimpse of the P50 Pro phone. A fresh new video of the upcoming Huawei P50 Pro has emerged from China. The short clip shows us a mock-up of the device in all its glory, giving us a close-up look at its design. We can see the phone will bring a curved display with what appears to be a punch hole cutout at the top below the air grill. The back houses a total of 5 cameras, separated between two large circular housing. The rear cameras are believed to bring similar focus length to the P40 Pro and Mate 40 Pro series. With a 125mm telephoto module capable of 5x zoom, joined by an 18mm equivalent ultra-wide snapper. There is not much information on the remaining shooters. The rumors point to the 1" Sony's IMX800 being the main sensor. Let's talk about the specs of the device. Rumors indicate Huawei P50 Pro will come with the Kirin 9000 chipset, but the later smartphone will switch to the Snapdragon 888 without a 5G modem. The device will offer an OLED display with an increased hertz pattern, up to 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of storage. Talking about the charging speed, phone will have a 66W fast charging. Huawei also will unveil its own mobile operating system called Harmony OS, designed to replace Google mobile services on its smartphone as well as array of consumer devices. It also used last month's event to tease P50 series. Let's see at what price point Huawei will launch the devices. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comment section. For that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.